In our leather shop, when we're doing a production run on leather straps, we use a large machine like this. However, it takes quite a while to set up. If you don't want to go through all those steps setting up this machine to cut out these straps, the simple solution is just to use this hand tool called a strap cutter. It's easy to use and great for doing custom leather work. We use it all the time. If you want the strap cutter to slide through the hide like it's slicing butter, you have to use a nice sharp blade. I'm going to change the blade now and show you how it's done. I'm going to loosen the thumb screw, pull out the guide bars, loosen the screws that secure the razor blade. I'm going to carefully pull that out so I won't cut myself. I'm going to grab a new blade, put it back in, put in the little slots there. And I want to have a distance between the two bars that will clear the thickness of leather that I'm using. I don't want it too big a distance or the leather will flop around and I won't get a nice straight cut. That looks good. So I'm going to tighten the screws that secure the blade. Slide it back in. Now there is a ruler on the side of the wood, but I like using my own ruler because it's a little more accurate. I'm going to go through an 1.5 inch wide spacing in a buckle, so I'm just going to make it just a hair smaller so it slides through easily. And I tighten the thumb screw, and I'm all ready to go. Before I cut the leather straps, I have to straighten the hide.